Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator on a Toyota Avalon. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This crucial step prevents any accidental electrical shorts or shocks while you are working. Next, gather all your essential tools, including various wrenches, a ratchet set, and a serpentine belt tensioner tool. Always ensure the engine is completely cool before starting any maintenance. To begin removal, locate the serpentine belt tensioner and loosen it, allowing you to carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect the main electrical connector and the battery cable from the back of the alternator. These connections are typically secured with a 10mm or 12mm nut. Finally, unbolt the 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding the alternator in place, then carefully extract the old unit. Now, carefully position the new alternator into its mounting bracket. Insert and tighten the 2 or 3 mounting bolts to secure it firmly. Reconnect the main electrical connector and the battery cable, ensuring they are snug and secure. Finally, route the serpentine belt back over all the pulleys according to the diagram, then use your tensioner tool to apply the correct tension to the belt. For the final steps, securely reconnect the negative battery terminal. Double-check all connections and ensure no tools are left in the engine bay. Start the engine and observe the dashboard for any battery warning lights. It should turn off. Listen carefully for any unusual noises, such as squealing from the belt, and confirm the serpentine belt is properly aligned on all pulleys. Your vehicle should now be charging correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.